Hi. So you buy a new car and suddenly you start seeing the same model everywhere at the traffic light, outside your office, near your house, and you think, did everyone suddenly buy this car? Probably not. Something has happened. What is it? The pattern. Your brain started noticing it. Before you bought the car, hundreds of other cars passed you every day. You simply didn't care about them, right? But now your brain has a pattern to look for, and once it finds one, it keeps finding it. This is where things get interesting. You might conclude there are suddenly more of these cars, but the world may not have changed at all. Your attention changed. And there is a name for what your brain is doing now. It is called pattern recognition, the ability to notice regularities in what we observe. It's how you recognize a face in a crowd, how you predict the next word in a sentence before it is spoken. And it is also, in more literal sense, what a machine learning model is built to do, prediction. But there is a catch. Our brain don't only finds the patterns that are real. Sometimes they find patterns in nothing at all. Imagine you flip a five coins, okay? I'll show you here. So imagine you are flipping five coins. Heads, 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 tail, and heads. It looks unusual. You might think the coin is biased, but five flips are not enough to know the pattern is real. The explanation which we are giving is not. And that is important distinction. You see this everywhere. Learn a new word and suddenly hear it everywhere. It happens with us, right? This is the code for that, but that's fine. I'll just give you this. Okay. So you learn a new word and you just hear it everywhere. Start thinking about a person, maybe your friend, relative, somebody, and somehow keep running into them. Notice a particular number and suddenly it seems to follow you. Sometimes the pattern is meaningful. Sometimes your attention simply became better at finding it. So, when we are relating it to data science, how shall we relate it? So, data science begins with finding patterns, but finding one is the easy part. The harder is the harder discipline is doubting it, asking whether what you have found was there all along or whether you simply trained your eyes to look for it, because a pattern that convinces you is not the same as a pattern that is true. And this is the most important thing. The difference between those two is where the real work begins. So that's it about pattern recognition, and we will see with another interesting concept in next episode. Thank you.